Here is specific scenario to illustrate the involvement of different agencies in handling a labor dispute in the Philippines. Maria, a domestic worker, was recruited by an employment agency to work abroad in Saudi Arabia. However, upon arrival, she discovered that her working conditions were significantly different from what was promised. She faced long working hours, withheld wages, and physical abuse from her employer. Distressed and seeking redress, Maria decided to take an action. Number 1. Philippine Overseas Employment and Administration. Maria contacts the POEA and files a complaint against her recruitment agency and employer. She provides all the necessary details of her employment, including copies of her contract, evidence of abuse, and records of withheld wages. The POEA initiates an investigation into her case, which may involve interviewing Maria, her employer, and gathering relevant evidence. The POEA determines that Maria's rights as an OFW have been violated and imposes penalties on the recruitment agency for their misconduct. They may order the agency to provide financial assistance to Maria and take corrective measures. If Maria is unsatisfied with the decision, she can appeal to Secretary of Labor and Employment within 15 calendar days. Number 2. National Labor Relations Commission. After seeking assistance from the POEA, Maria returns to the Philippines and decides to file a complaint with the NLRC against her recruitment agency to claim unpaid wages and seek damages from the abuse endured abroad. Maria submits her complaint along the supporting documents to the NLRC Regional Office. The NLRC conducts hearings, reviews the evidence, and assesses the merits of Maria's case. They may summon the recruitment agency to present their side and provide a chance for both parties to reconcile through settlement discussions. If a settlement cannot be reached, the NLRC issues a decision which may include orders for back wages, damages, or other appropriate remedies. If Maria or the recruitment agency wishes to appeal the decision, they can do so within 10 calendar days to the Court of Appeals. Number 3. Department of Labor and Employment. Maria, feeling that her case was mishandled by both the POEA and NLRC, decided to bring her concern to the attention of the DOLE. She submits a complaint to the appropriate DOLE office, providing a detailed account of her experiences, the actions taken by the POEA and NLRC, and why she believes her case warrants further attention. The DOLE reviews Maria's complaint and conducts an investigation into the alleged mishandling of her case by the previous agencies involved. They may request additional information, interview relevant parties, and examine the producers followed. Based on their findings, the DOLE may take appropriate action such as evaluating the decision or recommending corrective measures to the concerned agencies. This scenario demonstrates how Maria as an OFW navigates the process of seeking redress for labor abuses and violations through the involvement of the POEA, NLRC, and potentially the DOLE.